Okay, why don't you tell me a little bit about who you are and what you offer for the bed bug control.
Sure, good morning. My name is Peter McDermott with Atrix International. This is Patrick Callahan here with me. What we do is specialize in IPM, or Integrated Pest Management vacuums, designed specifically to capture and also contain bed bugs. Any vacuum can suck up a bed bug, but what really matters is what happens after it's sucked up. Your traditional upright vacuum, bag vacuum, bed bug is sucked up into the machine. It all works great, but then you take your vacuum, put it in your closet, put it in your truck, go to your next job. Between that job and your next job, most likely some of the bed bugs will crawl out of that vacuum and escape into your truck or your next client's house. With our vacuum, we have a special filtration. It's a true HEPA filter. Inside of a toolbox vacuum. So it's great, easy to use, very durable. Actually comes with a 3-year limited warranty. What makes it different is really what's inside. This vacuum contains a true HEPA filter. You plug the hose directly into the filter. Everything is sucked inside. And when you're done vacuuming, simply pop the plug in and it safely seals all of the bed bugs inside.
As Peter indicated, this is the Omega Supreme. This is really the top of the line vacuum. We have the mid-range, which is the Omega. We have a smaller unit. I think this should just take. The Omega weighs about 12 pounds. The Express Vac is about 4 pounds, so it's very lightweight, very mobile, easy to store in the trucks and vehicles. Also has the immediate containment filters. Again, this is a patented filter from Atrix International. What goes in here stays in here. You don't have to worry about bed bugs getting out. You don't have to worry about viruses, bacteria, anything else getting spewed out the exhaust for the technicians and for the customer. So it's a immediate containment filter. And then we have the big guy. When you've got those big bed bug jobs or roach jobs, clean up with rodent feces, bat guano. This is the unit that you're going to want to use. 5-gallon capacity. Again, the hose plugs directly into the filter, so it's a closed system. And again, immediate containment.
Once you're done vacuuming, you can also plug each end of the hose to ensure that nothing's going to escape.
The final product that we have is the backpack. And it's relatively lightweight. It's about 10 pounds. Very with an ergonomic design. All of the weight resting on your hips.
Very easy to use. Plug in. Easy to use. Comes complete with all the accessories, including the carpet turbo brush, which works great for any fleas that may be hiding in the carpet or bed bugs.
So could that be used for other than bed bugs? Like you just mentioned, fleas. Are there other applications?
Flea control. So with the beater brush, you could do a carpet application to get the fleas out of the carpet. No problems at all. The fleas, the egg, the larvae will be contained in the HEPA filter. Roach control, spider webs up in corners. You can get up and do spider control, flea control, roach control, and bed bugs, of course.
So typically, do people use pesticides in combination with this when they're treating?
One of the advantages of using the vacuum, number one, is going in ahead of time and using the vacuum to reduce the population so that you actually can use less chemical. So it truly is, as we say, IPM system, getting rid of the bed bugs with mechanical, manual control, eliminating them, which then also gives the technician a better idea of the success of the chemical treatment. Because then if there are insects left, they had not been collected during the vacuuming.
So if you were a consumer and you were having bed bug problems, would you just want to ensure that your PCO, your pest control officer, was using a vacuum, would that be something that you would suggest as a smart move on a
Absolutely.
consumer?
As Peter indicated, all vacuums will pick things up. The advantage with the Atrix units is that what gets picked up stays in the filter and doesn't come back out. But yes, definitely you would encourage if a consumer is contracting for bed bug work, hopefully the professional is using a vacuum.
Another great advantage of using vacuums is that oftentimes with bed bug work, it takes more than one visit, typically 2 to 3 visits. And what we recommend PCOs do is initially when they get into the house or the home or the apartment is to suck up all the things they can see, including the bed bugs, the larvae, the eggs, the feces, and then they use heat or pesticides to treat. And this really helps them in the second visit when they go back and they can see exactly what has happened from the first visit to the second visit. Because after they've removed all the bed bugs, the only thing they'll see in the next visit is what has come back after the first visit.
One thing we just show you is that Atrix has developed a unique, what they call a bed bug brush. So when professionals using the vacuum, they can use this bristled brush to eliminate eggs, dried up blood, so it really is a nice little, neat little tool. You additionally have a crack and crevice tool that can get up and behind the baseboards, the headboard of the bed, inside any kind of furniture. So you got some nice little attachments that'll help the professional do their job right.